Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block contacts on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the snap bar at the bottom left corner of the screen, and here you will just simply search for the friend that you want to block. I can block this friend, so now I can open this friend chat, and here now you can tap on the name at the top of the screen. Now you will see the option 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, and here you will see the option manage friendship. Now you will see the second option, that is block, and this is the way you can block contacts on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next